Good morning students. Today let us study about respiration in plants. Students, do plants respire? Yes, they do respire. Why? Because they too are living organisms. Every living organism has to respire, generate energy and survive. So is the case with plants too. They do respire. But they don't have specialized respiratory system like us. Each part of the plant has its own respiring structure. Let us see what are those structures. Let us take up leaves first. In leaves, there are stomata. Students, do you remember the stomata? They are actually present in the lower epidermis and they are pores. Simply they are pores. These pores lead into air spaces. Then air spaces lead into air channels and these air channels connect every cell of the leaf tissue. So, స్టొమాటో కింద ఎయిర్ స్పేసెస్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ ఎయిర్ స్పేసెస్ సన్నటి ఎయిర్ ఛానల్స్ లోపలికి లీడ్ అవుతాయి. ఈ ఎయిర్ ఛానల్స్ ప్రతి సెల్కి కనెక్ట్ అయి ఉంటాయి. సి హియర్ ఇలా వెళ్ళి సో ఎవ్రీ సెల్ హ్యాస్ కనెక్షన్ విత్ ఎయిర్ ఛానల్, రైట్? సో నౌ air from atmosphere enters through stomata, goes into air space, then into air channels, then touches every cell and diffuses into cell. So process of entry of air into stomata is by diffusion. What is diffusion? Movement of gases from high concentration to or high pressure to low pressure. So oxygen pressure is more outside, less inside. So oxygen enters into stomata, then into cells, and carbon dioxide is more inside the cells because of continuous activity, continuous respiration. So carbon dioxide comes out of the cells, takes the same path and ejects out through the stomata. So this is how respiration in leaves take place. Got it, students? Now stems. In young stems which are green, they have stomata like leaves. So same way there also respiration occurs. Through stomata air enters, then into loose channels, air channels, touches every cell, and through diffusion oxygen enters into the cells, carbon dioxide comes out, and that will become finally expelled out through stomata. Next, old stems. If you take old stems, they have specialized structures called lenticels. Students, have you ever observed a old stem containing small bumps like this, brown color or light brown color bumps over the stem? I hope you have seen. So these bumps are actually lenticels. They contain a pore. See here, this is the lenticel projection. This is the lenticel, and this lenticel contains loosely arranged tissue. This is the loose tissue and this is the pore. Through this pore, air enters, and through these loosely arranged cells, it diffuses and goes to every cell of the stem. So this is how respiration takes place in old stems. Now coming to roots, the small roots, that is root hairs. Root hairs, they just take oxygen from the soil particles by diffusion process. So students, do you know soil also contains air? That is why microorganisms survive inside air, right? Earthworms, microorganisms, they survive. So that oxygen directly enters into root hairs by diffusion process, and that is conducted, that is transferred to the root cells, all the root cells. Then mature roots means the bigger roots. These roots, they too have lenticels like that of stems. Nothing but same structure that we have seen here. A pore, loosely arranged tissue leading into the internal tissue. So this is how respiration takes place in roots. Students, this is about normal plants. Now there are some special plants whose roots are always dipped or merged in salty waters. Those plants are called as mangroves. So what are mangroves? Mangroves are the plants which grow in salty waters. Their roots are always logged in water which is salty. So in salt water we don't expect oxygen. So these plants get deprived of oxygen. So to avoid that condition, what they do is they show some adaptations. They produce aerial roots. Roots normally grow down the earth, but these plants show roots which grow upwards, away from the ground towards sunlight. See here. So these are the trees. Their roots are actually here. These roots are projecting out from the ground. So this is shown here. This is one root. See here. On the roots there are pores. Through these pores they take up oxygen and supply it to the internal tissue. Got it, students? So these are the mangroves, and the roots that they have are aerial roots. Actually, aerial roots are also called as pneumatophores or knees. But remember aerial roots for class 10 exams. This pneumatophore term was introduced in 9th class, but it is not given in 10th class textbook. So just remember aerial roots. Mangroves have aerial roots. So this is about respiration in plants, students. I hope you understood. Thank you.